As you probably guessed, JavaScript is a fairly complex language with many functions and capabilities. To proficiently become familiar with all of JavaScript's unique features, it would likely take years of practice and what may seem like endless coding. To significantly simplify the coding process, developers have created JavaScript libraries that contain many commonly used functions and methods that you can simply call when needed. You might recall we explored some basic functions in the JavaScript course that we programmed ourselves. We developed blocks of code to perform particular tasks. One such library, and perhaps the most widely used, is known as jQuery. The jQuery library contains many features, including HTML manipulation, CSS manipulation, effects and animations, and AJAX capabilities. In this section of the course, we will explore jQuery and provide examples of many of the powerful features this library has to offer. It's important to note that many of the biggest companies are currently using jQuery in their web applications, companies such as Google, Microsoft, and IBM. jQuery allows you to harness and unleash the full power of modern-day web development.